Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to start a dental clinic. First, you'll need to lay a strong foundation with a detailed business plan. This roadmap will guide your decisions and help secure financing. Next, research your local market thoroughly to understand patient needs and competitor services. Finally, secure adequate funding, as initial capital requirements can range from $350,000 to $500,000 for a new practice. Once your plan is solid, focus on the legal and financial groundwork. You'll need to establish your business entity, like an LLC, and get an employer identification number from the IRS. Crucially, obtain all required state dental licenses and local permits to operate legally. Don't forget to secure essential insurance policies, including professional liability, general liability, and workers' compensation, to protect your practice. Now, let's get your physical practice ready. Select a location that offers high visibility and easy access for your patients, ideally with dedicated parking. Next, invest in essential dental equipment, such as modern dental chairs, digital X-ray machines, and a full suite of hand tools. Finally, build a strong team by hiring skilled dental assistants and efficient administrative staff to ensure smooth operations. To attract patients, focus on marketing. Develop a strong brand and launch a professional, responsive website that showcases your services. Implement digital marketing strategies, including search engine optimization, active social media engagement, and encouraging online patient reviews. These efforts will boost your visibility and build trust. And speaking of smart financial moves, check the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.